I'm sorry. I'm buying the biggest package you got. Can I have a picture?
I'm sorry.
Okay, I want to take a picture. Can I video it? Can I video it? Thank you.
Close enough.
Are you ready? Take a snapshot. Okay. What's on your dress?
Don't leave your breath.
What's on your dress?
Gingerbread
Are
girl.
you a gingerbread girl?
A gingerbread girl.
I think you're a gingerbread girl.
Hey, look at that.
Look, it's snowing.
Oh, it's snowing!
Where was that entertainment while we were in line?
Where was that at when we were over there?
That would have got me
for 3
going
hours?
another 15 minutes. That's a pretty. Pictures are?
I don't know what they're doing.
Is that a bug? Oh.
Yeah, a little beetle. Well, since Brooklyn can't talk, Santa, she's really hoping for piano. A little
Really? Like Schroeder.
Yes. Quite musical.
Wow.
She's quite musical. She can't tell you.
Very much listening.
Ain't it though?
What I could do.
I'm recording it.
Here you go, Lenny.
Brooklyn is one day gonna hear that, okay?
I mean,
Your daddy said that, Brooklyn.
Grandma paid me to say that. She's got cue cards back here.
Right.
You're gonna have to get over. Dad.
Lenny, Lenny, you're in the way.
Camera.
Brooklyn!
Yep.
She's pulling that off.
Oh, pretty girl! Yay!
Brooklyn!
Yay!
We have the option. Go back in the car. Okay.
Good job!
Want this for a minute?
She says, what is this?
What is this? Real straight.
That's straight. That's straight, Jennifer. Look at the camera. Brooke. Oh! She's about enough of that garbage. Yay! Brooklyn, she did awesome.
You did a lot better than I thought she was going to do.
You're crazy, girl.